guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be installing and reviewing this hair from Allove Hair. Thank you for collaborating with me on this video. But before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm firstly just going to cut off this extra part of the closure right here, like this doubled over part right here. I don't necessarily need this. I'm just gonna cut this off before I put the wig on.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave beside me, 'cause I want you and I need you and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, 'cause I want you and I need you and I'm down for you always.
I show 'em how to network. Fuck that Netflix and chill. What's your net worth?
'Cause I want you and I need you and I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you. Down for you. Down for you always. Kiki, you love me. Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, 'cause I want you and I need you and I'm down for you always, baby. You love me. Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, 'cause I want you and I need you and I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you. Down for you. Down for you always.
Two bad bitches see me kissing in a way, kissing in a way, kissing in a way. I need that black card in the code to the state, code to the state, code to the state.
'Cause I want you and I need you and I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you. Down for you. Down for you always.
You've been waiting so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you.
smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman to serve good things. This for the diamond, head for the ring. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your select.
So this is the final look for this hair. Guys, this is so pretty. I'm like so excited with the way that this hair turned out. So let me go into details. So this hair is from Allove hair or Allove hair. I'm not really sure. I'll put their name up on the screen. This is their deep wave 4x4 lace closure in 24 inches. Guys, this hair is so pretty, and I really love the way that this hair came out. It is super soft, right up my alley, exactly what I wanted. So this is how the hair came packaged. It just says Allove at the top, and then all you need is love and great hair. Super cute, and I love the fact that it is a satin bag, so I know exactly where I'm going to put this. And this kind of bag is not damaging to the hair. It's actually very beneficial, so it'll keep the moisture, the luster, and all that good stuff by using this bag. This wig also came with 2 wig caps. I didn't use the wig caps that they sent me because I just have a surplus of wig caps anyway, but you can never have too many wig caps when you're a wig wearer, so definitely appreciate that. So let me just tell you about some of the pros and the cons of this hair. Sorry for not showing you guys me bleaching and customizing this hair. I kind of went straight into it when I got the hair, but what I will say is I over bleached the closure. So then like the roots right here were starting to turn brown, so I like went in to go like re-dye it. Like I tried to dye it like jet black like 4 times last night, and I just could not, the color did not stick to it. I'm not really sure why. Maybe it was because I just bleached the hair and it was still wet. I'm not really sure, but that's besides the point. So I'm gonna go into the pros and cons of this hair. So I'm gonna start off with the cons just so we end off on a high note. A con that I have for this hair is that I don't think the lace is very durable. So like I told you, I bleached the hair last night and I tried to dye it, and then while I was in the process of doing that, I managed to have poked 2 holes into the closure lace. I've managed to poke 2 holes into the lace, which I don't quite understand how I did. Like it could have just been my nails. It could have just been my nails, but I don't think they're even sharp like that. They're like coffin shaped, so I'm not really sure what or how that happened, but maybe it was just like the fact that I bleached it and then tried to dye it. I don't know that it made the lace weaker. I don't know, it makes no sense to me. So I personally don't feel like the lace is that durable. Do I have any more cons for this hair? Not really. I actually really like this hair, and I can definitely see myself wearing this very soon. I'm probably gonna wear this hair like to work next week. So let me just talk to you about the pros for this hair. So what I will say is that this hair really didn't require any plucking, which I was like happily surprised with. I didn't pluck this unit at all. The hairline was very much pre-plucked to me, so I was very happy with that. This hair is very soft. I love the way that it feels, super soft. I absolutely love it. This hair takes heat very well. As you saw, I did wand curl my hair because when I washed the hair last night, I lost like the natural like deep wave of it. If you guys are interested in the curling wand that I used, I will put it down in my description box below, so check that out. But yeah, all in all, I really do like this hair. I'm so happy that Allove hair sent this hair out to me because 10 out of 10, I would definitely recommend it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I will put it down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave me a big old thumbs up to let YouTube know that you like this video and to let me know that you like this video. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a